Hello and welcome to the Office Superheroes channel. My name is Nicholas and today in this short video tutorial we're going to show you how to quickly and easily insert a symbol in Excel. So we're not going to waste any more time and we're going to get into the demonstration. First, we'll select the cell into that we want to insert the symbol. We'll go to the tab, Insert, which is located on the top bar. We find the Symbols item and select the symbols. Now a window will appear in which we have a choice of symbols. The menu on the right will help us to find groups of symbols. We select the option, Currency Symbols. The symbol we need now is not found here, so we open the drop-down menu on the left, which is labeled, Font. We have several options to choose from here. We select the option, Wingdings. We have a number of interesting symbols to choose from. We choose the phone symbol. When we have selected the symbol, we click on, Insert, and the symbol will be inserted into the table. We close the table. We can insert another symbol in the same way. Now we insert the envelope symbol. We can still change the color of our symbols for better resolution. Click on the symbol whose color we want to change. We will go to the Home tab, which we will find on the top bar. We go to the group, Font, and select the color we want to use for the symbol. We click on it and the symbol will immediately change its color. To insert additional symbols, simply repeat the previous steps. In this way, we can insert different symbols into the table. It was easy, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, let us know via comment or like. Interested in more videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all from me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.